Hello, my name is Martinez-McGraw. I'll be talking to you guys on People First Language today. Welcome to this professional development. We will be going over People First Language. What exactly is People First Language? It means putting the person before the disability. Using People First Language and eliminating old, prejudice, and hurtful descriptors can move us into a new direction. People First Language is not political correctness. Instead, it demonstrates that good manners, respect, the golden rule, and more. It can change the way we see a person, and it can change the way a person sees herself or himself. The articles below can help us begin to use more natural and accurate language and create positive change in the process. Treat everyone with respect and courtesy. Look for and appreciate the abilities, personality, and interests of people. Why People First Language matters. When we help children learn that we're all the same, but we're also all different, we can eliminate prejudice early. This document includes a 2-page article for children, plus suggestions and ideas for use by teachers and parents. So a stat that that is out there is 1 in 5 people have some form of disability. Largest and minority group. People First Language shows good manners and shows respect to those with disabilities. Some of the terminology used in the past that is not, appropriate right now is handicapped, retarded, disabled, having an attack, special needs. Appropriate language, use phrases starting with the person, so person with autism, person with a vision hearing impairment. When it is possible to use the appropriate clinical term, make sure to always put the person first. So some takeaways, some things to always remember. Always put the person first. Always remember the golden rule and treat everyone with respect and courtesy. If you offend a person with a disability, treat as you would anyone else when apologizing. Look at the abilities of the person, not the disabilities. That one really stood out to me. Look at the abilities of the person, not the disabilities. We see, someone in a wheelchair, and we automatically think something happened, or what's the disability, rather than looking at the abilities. It's look at the glass half full, not glass half empty. That little quote stood out to me. Some of the references on 2 pages. Thank you guys for listening to my presentation. I appreciate it. If you have any feedback, please reach out, and have a good day.